Would you like to find out how just 3 essential oils can naturally enhance your beauty, health, and home? Imagine having a versatile toolkit at your fingertips with just 3 essential oils that you can add to your daily routine in 101 incredible ways. Hey, Sparkling One. I'm Dee Diaz with Sparkling Life Nutrition and Health Coaching, where we share simple yet powerful wisdom and practical advice, along with our favorite protocols to help you increase the sparkle in your life with integrative health, nutrition, and essential oils. So if you're new here, thanks bunches for joining us. And if you like what you hear, we hope you'll consider subscribing. So let's start with lavender essential oil. Studies show that exposure to the aroma of lavender can decrease the heart rate, making it the perfect oil to inhale or use when you're feeling anxious or worried. Japanese researchers have also found that taking a few whiffs of lavender during work breaks acts as a recharging mechanism and can help to prevent an afternoon slump. That sweet, mild scent of lavender is generally appreciated by most noses and is associated with feelings of serenity and calmness. In addition to smelling fantastic, certified pure tested grade lavender oil has benefits for the skin, and it can be used to soothe cuts, bruises, and other minor skin irritations. Lavender is also a great sleep aid. Just apply a few drops into your cupped palms and inhale deeply. Then rub onto your wrists, your chest, the temples, and the back of your neck along the spine, or anywhere else for an immediate calming effect on the body that's going to help lull you into a sweet slumber. Or add a few drops to a spray bottle full of water and spritz onto your pillow and other bedding. This is going to help the scent linger throughout the night. Although I prefer to use witch hazel instead of water because it dries faster and doesn't leave your pillow or bedding wet. You can also apply lavender oil to bug bites to help stop the itching and reduce swelling. I also like adding it to my night cream, but more often than not, I usually just add it to 1 to 2 drops of coconut oil or argan oil for my nightly routine. Lastly, it's a great oil to keep with you when you travel, especially in crowded areas like planes and subways. This is going to help you carve out your own personal oasis and help keep you calm while you travel. Now, some people believe that essential oils are a new fad, but actually, these plants have been collected and used for everything from food preparation to beauty and healthcare practices for thousands of years. Back then, this may have meant wrapping leaves around a fresh wound, but today, our means of extracting the essence of these amazing gifts of the earth have become much more sophisticated. If you've ever enjoyed the scent of a rose, you've experienced the aromatic qualities of essential oils. That lovely aroma comes from the volatile aromatic compounds that are found in the seeds, the bark, the stems, the roots, and flowers, and other parts of the plants that naturally grow around us. And modern studies have even proven that these scented oils can make a huge difference by not only enhancing our physical, but also our mental well-being, whether through the use of aromatherapy, whether you take them internally, or when you apply them externally. If you have a favorite scent, more than likely it comes in an essential oil form. Our second of the top 3 essential oils is lemon. Lemon trees are grown in many countries all over the world, although they're native to Asia and are believed to have been brought to Europe around 200 AD. You might have heard that sailors would use lemons to protect themselves from scurvy, which is a nutritional disorder resulting from lack of vitamin C. So they would use it to protect themselves from scurvy and conditions caused by bacterial infections. In fact, lemons, specifically the peel, are packed with many natural compounds that help with cleansing, sterilizing, and purifying. And I'm sure you'll agree that lemons and lemon oil are popular because of their refreshing scent and invigorating, purifying, and cleansing properties. And they're so good for you. Research shows that lemons contain powerful antioxidants and help to reduce inflammation, fight bacteria and fungi, boost energy levels, and ease digestion. Lemon essential oil truly is a beneficial powerhouse, which is why it's one of the most popular essential oils and why so many cleaning products add it as an ingredient. The good news is that it's so powerful, you really don't need to mix it with anything else. So let me tell you a few ways you can use lemon essential oil. It can stimulate lymphatic drainage, which is going to help your body to cleanse itself of waste and toxins. Just add a couple drops in a glass of water to drink throughout the day and help you get back into tip-top shape. Now, I do want to caution you because not all oils are created equally. So I would be very careful about taking just any essential oil internally. And I'll speak more about this in a minute. Another way to use it is you can unstick the goo your kids leave behind with their stickers and gum with lemon essential oil. Just add a few drops to a damp washcloth and scrubs it right away. Or add a few drops of lemon to the detergent container of your washing machine. This is going to help freshen up the laundry without the use of artificial chemicals. One thing I like to do instead of using those toxic dryer sheets is I send a wool dryer ball with a few drops of lemon essential oil. Or you can just add a few drops to a small spray bottle filled with water and use it as a natural all-purpose cleaner. You can use this on toys, sports equipment, and bedroom furniture. And you can also use it on wood as a natural polisher. And listen up, parents. I'm sure you'll agree that as kids reach puberty, their rooms can get really stinky, right? Well, instead of using those toxic sprays, you can deodorize naturally by adding a few drops of lemon essential oil to a diffuser for a fresh, clean, and energizing scent. I also like to add it to cotton balls and hide the scent in the drawers and the closet. That works really well too. Now, I mentioned earlier about being cautious about which essential oils you use, because these days it's difficult to ensure that we aren't bringing in toxic chemicals and unnatural ingredients into our bodies and our homes. But when you use certified pure, tested grade essential oils, you don't have to worry about hidden ingredients or potential side effects, because you'll know that these CPTG oils have been gently and carefully distilled from plants that have been patiently harvested at the perfect moment by experienced growers from around the world, which is what's ideal for perfect extraction, composition, and efficacy. You want to make sure that you're using an essential oil that's been thoroughly tested using the strict certified pure tested grade quality protocol, making each and every oil naturally safe and purely effective. So make sure you check your labels, because if it says that it can't be taken internally or used topically, then that's probably a good indication that it's been adulterated. Granted, of course, there are some plants that would give you a tummy ache if you took them internally, But if those oils are CPTG, certified pure, tested grade oils, then you should at least be able to use them topically. So please keep that in mind when you're purchasing your essential oils. Now, our last oil in the top 3 collection is peppermint. Peppermint is a hybrid of spearmint and watermint, with the most active ingredients being menthol and methone, which give it that minty scent. The use of peppermint oil for medicinal purposes has been traced back to ancient Japanese and Chinese folk medicine, as well as Greek mythology, and it's even been found in several Egyptian pyramids. So it's been used for health and wellness for a long, long time. This popular oil has been well loved for a reason. It has anti-nausea benefits, cooling effects, and even cleansing properties. As you probably know, best of all, peppermint can also be used for freshening your breath. If you've ever smelled peppermint extract or even just used an extremely minty mouthwash, you know that it can have an almost shockingly invigorating effect on your senses. This makes it perfect for use as a midday pick-me-up in any delivery form. After a long day, you can apply peppermint to muscles for a cooling effect. You can also add a few drops to an Epsom salt bath to soak away feelings of soreness and invigorate your senses. You can also diffuse peppermint oil to help keep airways clear if your family is suffering from seasonal threats. Remember, peppermint oil is also thought to have antimicrobial properties, so it should help to purify the air in your home as well. If you're in need of a midday energy boost, try a drop or 2 of peppermint oil in a glass of water or directly in your mouth. I promise you, it will wake you right up. You can also use a drop of diluted peppermint on your temples and the back of your neck along your spine to help with feelings of head tension. And it's an excellent ingredient for cooking too. I have an awesome recipe for peppermint brownies that I use peppermint essential oil with. Now, science has shown us that smell is the first sense that's activated when we're born. That just proves how important it is. Your sense of smell also has the ability to activate memories and trigger our emotional state, right? Think about it. How does the smell of freshly baked bread make you feel? Or how about the smell of chocolate chip cookies? Does the smell of pine or fir bring memories back of camping or hiking in the woods? Or if you got a waft of the perfume or cologne that your ex-lover wore, that would probably make you stop and think about them for a moment, right? Yeah, probably. So aromatherapy acts the same way. The smell of essential oils have been shown to trigger feelings of relaxation, of energy, and a few emotions in between. So now you're probably wondering, hey, I thought she said there's 101 uses for these top 3 essential oils. Well, yes, there are. And that's why you can check in the video description box below and you'll find a link to my free ebook that gives you all 101 uses for these top 3 essential oils. I'll also leave a link to the essential oil supplier I prefer to partner with because of the potency and pursuit of purity in all of their wellness products. And they have a wonderful introductory kit that includes these top 3 essential oils that, as you've seen, are mighty in benefits from cleaning to cooking and even to support our health and wellness. So there you have it. Those are the top 3 essential oils: lavender, lemon, and peppermint. Thanks bunches for joining me. And if you benefited from anything I shared today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you're notified when we post our next video. And I pray that you have a sparkling day. Ciao.